Alright, so this is room 3646. It is a pirate room at the Caribbean Beach Resort. And I do have a window right here. This is the view. So it is a courtyard view. And down below they have some like little picnic area, some umbrellas, there's a trash can. It's pretty small in this little nook here. And let's go inside. So you can, right here you can use your phone or your Magic Band to open. I use the Magic Band, but if you don't want to have one of those, you can also use the app on your phone and it does open. So here is the room. Alright, so when you first walk in, you see pirate ship beds, which is hilarious. They have little cannons on them. And the masts up top, so cute. Some artwork over here. It looks like from Pirates of the Caribbean. Sorry, Pirates of the Caribbean movie, and it's really hard to get that without the reflection. Sorry about that, but I can't turn the lights off or you won't see anything. So we walk back out to the side, and we have a curtain for the bathroom. So there's no sliding door, it looks like, but I mean that's a cool curtain. I'll take it. And it's just me staying here, so I don't really need any privacy. But when you open it up, hello. So this is the bathroom. Looks like we have the safe. This is the closet. Extra pillows. That's really fun theming. They really went all out. I love it. I mean, it is Disney. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cute. So we have double sinks, his and hers. And the amenities are the H2O Plus, which I really enjoy. We do have a mirror with a light, and I think it magnifies. So you pull that out, little light, and then, yes, it's magnifying as well. So that is handy. Oh my gosh, look at this on the mirror. I love it so much. And then we actually have a separate bathroom, so let's go check this out. Oh, wrong button. Where is the light? Light's inside, all right. So look at this shower curtain. I love it. The Interceptor, it's all different ships. That is so fun. So let's see. And here is the bathtub and shower. So that's nice. Very rustic, like you're in a ship. I like it. Alright, and then there is a mirror, a full-length mirror on the door, if you can see that. It's the bathroom door. And then we have our window with that view that you can't really tell because the light is too bright on the other side of it. So opposite the beds, we have a little coat rack, which I have my jacket already on there, and there's a big, it's a luggage rack, but it's shaped to look like a chest, which is super fun, especially because as those things tend to get like beat up, this just looks more authentic, so that's really great. And then we have our coffee pot, which is the pods, it looks like Joffrey's, which is, you know, Disney's coffee, and it's anniversary blend. How fun is that? Let's see if it focuses. Maybe not. All right, way to go, camera. And then it's on a barrel, but inside the barrel is the refrigerator. Oh, I can't open it. It doesn't want me in. Okay, there is, I put my salad in the refrigerator already, but that is what is inside the barrel. And then this is just like crates, but it's like for shelving. Actually, I think this is the dresser. Hold on, let's see. It is. It's a dresser. How fun is that? That is so cute. And then we just have our little chair and tables, and pardon me, I already put stuff on it, but it has like a compass in the middle of the table, so that's fun. They have their enhanced cleaning. Let's see. Let's try to focus, guys. It's not gonna focus. Well, this is everything that they clean. Door handles, bathroom, beverage area, all that stuff. And then your air conditioning units. And that's it. It looks like this is a connecting room, so if you need connecting rooms, that is available in the pirate themed. These rooms are not, it does not look like these are queen beds. I think these are just full-size beds. But again, I'm the only one staying here, so that is not an issue for me. And then we have another barrel between the beds with a little nook that you can put stuff in, and the phone. So let's see the outlets. Okay, so there are 2 USBs in addition to 4 US plugs, and then the light switches are up here. That is the pirate room. That is so fun. It even has a ceiling fan. They don't all have that these days. One more thing I wanted to add is the carpet. The carpet is themed very well too. It looks like a big globe almost is what it reminds me of, and it's very rustic. So that is the carpeting.